up, you guys? It's Lexi Combs and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Thank you for coming watching my video. Don't forget, if you already haven't, go ahead and like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any time I upload. Today, we're gonna be doing some Dollar Tree wedding DIYs, and I got my inspiration for doing this because I actually have about 50,000 followers on TikTok, and I'm seriously obsessed with the app. But it's because I posted this video about some wedding DIYs, and one of them I actually used some stuff from Dollar Tree, and it was affordable. It didn't, you didn't have to use a Cricut, which I do have a Cricut and I love making stuff with it, but not everybody has access to one. And a lot of people want to do DIYs for their wedding because, let's face it, weddings are expensive and you need to save money wherever you can. And I promise you, you can have everything you want at your wedding as long as you're willing to do the work and really be creative. Basically, everything that you see here is going to be from Dollar Tree. If there's something that's not from Dollar Tree, which is like few and far between, but just to make things more stable or whatever, it's probably gonna be from Walmart, but I will make a list of absolutely everything for all of our DIYs. So let's just go ahead and hop right into it. Wrapping around, I used a little over 2 of the rolls of the moss, so I would suggest having 3 just in case. You might be able to do less overlapping than I did, and probably could make 2 work, so just a heads up. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this little piece of styrofoam, and we're gonna cover like most of it in some moss. Actually, we probably won't even need to cut it. No, we're gonna need to cut it. Anyway, I digress. We're gonna cut this foam so that one of these can sit on top of it and be a little bit higher, because they only have 2 heights of these like tall cylinder glasses at Dollar Tree. So I figured if we cover this with moss and then we, set it higher, then it will look tiered, and we love that. off camera, I just took the stickers off the bottom of our 3 vases from Dollar Tree. And I'm not going to glue these on, but I am going to go ahead and trace a circle around each vase so we kind of know where they go, so they have a place to sit. Just like the little, well, let me lift it up now. But just like the little foam piece, we are going to put flat stuff right there. That way, if you look down, it's not just like whatever your tablecloth color is. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and this DIY is taking a lot longer, but it's probably one of my favorite DIYs I've ever done in my entire life. So keep watching if you really wanna see how it turns out, because I'm telling you, it's incredible. As we're about to edit this, that I forgot to do an outro. So if you guys like this DIY, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another upload. And go follow me on TikTok. Lexi, little Lexi, with 3 eyes. I should change it to Lexi DIY. I don't know. Tell me.
Let us know down below in the comments.
In the comments. Let me know. All right. Bye, guys.